Ever feel like your business could be bigger? I mean, way bigger than just your city or even your country. Well, today we're going to talk about how you can turn the entire world into your personal storefront. You know that feeling, right? Like you've kind of hit a wall, you've got a fantastic product, your local customers love you, but the growth is starting to slow down. It's a super common problem. But what if the answer isn't just about pushing harder where you are, but about looking a little farther out? Because when you look further, you see an opportunity that is just massive. Get this. The global e-commerce market is projected to hit $7.4 trillion by 2025. And that number, it's not just some abstract figure. It's millions upon millions of new customers who are online right now looking for products just like yours. All right, so how do we wrap our heads around this? Here's our game plan. We're going to start with the big picture idea: the world is your store. Then, we'll break down what e-commerce export actually is. We'll cover the huge benefits, get real about the challenges, and then, the best part, we'll lay out your very first steps to get going. So let's dive into that first big idea. The world is your store. Honestly, the internet has completely rewritten the rules of business. Those physical borders that used to define who you could sell to, they're practically gone. Your next huge market, that next wave of growth, it's literally just a click away. So if the world is your store, you gotta ask, how do you actually, run it? That brings us right to the main event, the thing we need to clear up. What in the world is e-commerce export? It's actually way simpler than it sounds. All it means is you, right where you are, selling your products from your own website directly to a customer in a totally different country who just found you online and clicked buy. That's it. No complicated distributors, no giant cargo ships, just a direct connection from you to the world. And you gotta understand, this is a total game changer. The old way of exporting, it was slow, crazy expensive, and full of gatekeepers. It was really only for the big corporations. But e-commerce export, it just flips the whole thing on its head. The barrier to get started is super low, you have a direct relationship with your customer, and the whole process is designed to be fast and flexible. Okay, so now we know what it is. But why should you care? Why go through the effort? Well, let's talk about the incredible perks of taking your business global. This is how you unlock a whole new level of growth. And the upsides here are huge. You're not just finding a couple of new buyers, you're getting access to potentially millions of them. You're diversifying your income, so if your home market has a slow month, it's no big deal. And just think about it. While all your competitors are fighting over the same local customers, you're out there building a global brand. That's a serious competitive edge. And listen, this isn't just some abstract business theory. This is a real quote from an entrepreneur just like you. They said, "We never thought our small workshop could sell to 40 countries. The internet erased the borders." This is really happening for small businesses everywhere. It's totally possible. Now, of course, it's not just a magic wand you wave. Taking your business global does come with its own unique set of problems to solve. So let's be real for a minute and take an honest look at the hurdles you'll need to clear. The three big ones you'll hear about are logistics and shipping, taking international payments, and dealing with different rules and taxes. And yeah, shipping can seem complicated, and customs forms can look pretty intimidating at first. But here's the secret. For every single one of these problems, there are now companies and tools that exist specifically to solve them for you. These are not impossible mountains to climb anymore. Okay, so you know the amazing potential, and you know the challenges are solvable. So, where do you even begin? Let's boil it all down to a simple, step-by-step plan to get you started on this journey.
It really just starts with three things. Number one, a little research. Use free tools. See if people in France or Australia are searching for your kind of product. Number two, localize your website. This can be as simple as adding a feature to show prices in euros or pesos. And number three, find a shipping partner. Team up with a service that makes sending a package overseas as easy as sending one across town. That's it. That's your starting line.
And here is the most crucial thing to remember. 10, 15 years ago, each of those steps would have been a massive, expensive headache. But today, with all the new tools and services out there, they are easier and more affordable than they have ever been. The path has been cleared for you.
So I'll just leave you with this. Right now, at this very moment, someone on the other side of the planet could be searching for exactly what you sell. Your next customer could be anywhere. The real question is, are you ready to meet them?